Hey YouTube, how you guys doing? I'm here in the beautiful city of Chandler, Arizona, in a local pond here. I could actually let you guys know if you're very interested in knowing where I'm at fishing. Uh, put a comment, ask me, and I'll literally tell you where this place is at. I'm not gonna be hiding any honey holes. I want everybody to just have a blast, fish, and bring your families and have fun. Um, what I'm gonna do today is actually I'm gonna do finesse fishing. I'm gonna use the Net Rig. For you that don't know what a Net Rig, I'll kind of go over in detail at the end of this video how you rig it and how you fish it. But it's an awesome bait that doesn't matter if it's summer, winter, spring. You could actually fish it any time of the year. Very, very good way to fish for bass when they're very panicky. All right, so stay tuned. Oh, I had to go back and get a sweater. It's a little bit chilly out today. All right, here we go. Net Rig. Okay, the key on the Net Rig is slowly dragging it on the bottom. And in some cases, some of these ponds, they're pretty, thick with dirt on the bottom, so it's better to hop them. So it's really on you how you feel the bottom of the pond. But both ways would work, hopping or dragging slowly. Just remember, this is finesse fishing, so you got to be very patient. Just expect a good bite. What I'm using today for this is actually a 6-pound test line with a 6-foot rod. It's a Shimano Celis with a Sienna Shimano 3-bearing reel. This is a rod that I always carry in the car just in case I come across little ponds. And for us fish addicts, you want to get your fix that day if you see something that's very appealing. Okay, we're getting little nips here. Fish on. It's a nice little bass. This is what the Net Rig does. When you got little panicky fish that don't want to bite, that's what happens. It's a nice little dink. Nice. Okay, let's go ahead and release this guy. Let's see if we get another big one. Like I said, you got to be very patient with this. I actually ended up moving from where I was at. I was looking for the shade. There's a tree here that actually provides a little bit of shade. You saw that? There's a little jumpers here. Had another bite there. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Stay down, stay down. It's a nice fish. Boy, this boy is pulling pretty hard here. Listen to that. And there he goes. Just to show you guys, this Ned Rig really works. Pretty good bait. Let's see if we could get another one. So that just tells you, fish on. Fish on, I'm telling you, this bait is phenomenal. So I'm gonna be a little bit more patient with this one. Good sized bass. This is a little small one. A little small. Stop, stop, stop. Stop. Stop it. There you go. Pretty nice, smallie, the same one, same size as the last one. The one previous to this that broke my line was a pretty good size. Okay, let's try it again. Make sure you always fix your bait. Fish on. There's another one, guys. Little dinky dink came off. So they're starting to bite pretty good here. Fish on, guys. Nice head shakes. This is a pretty good size. There we go. Good sized bass here. It's not bad. Let's say close to a pounder. Put him back. All right, fish on, guys. Good size. This is a nice bass. Nice bass. Come on, baby. Very patient because this is a 6-pound line. Wow, this boy is pulling. Come here. Come to Papa. Still not ready. There you go. Get out of here. I'm having trouble landing these because of this mount on my chest. I'm trying to get the footage on camera, so it's not allowing me. I don't know, I'm having trouble with it. It's the first time I'm using a chest harness, so I gotta work with it, I guess. But the key here is that this bait that I'm using is working, so that's the important. Okay guys, fish on. It's a good size. Let's try to land this one. Okay, I had to pull it out like this, guys, because this is a good sized bass. There we go. Let's look at this one. Wow, beautiful. Good size. Pretty healthy fish. Wow. Nice one. All right, buddy. Here you go. There he goes. So just remember, guys, just be very patient with the Ned Rig, and you will catch some good size bass. You just got to be patient, and based on what I'm catching, this place has some good size basses here. That was at least a 3-pounder there. All right, some of the other basses, I actually landed a couple and they've came off, and it has to do with my chest hardness. I'm actually trying to get used to this thing so I could actually get footage on camera. So I'm fighting two things. I'm fighting the bass and I'm fighting this harness, but it will get better, I guarantee you that. Alright guys, today this is what I was using. This is the Z-Man Finesse TRDs. This is the green pumpkin, color. But the ones that I was actually using this morning is a Finesse TRDs New Money color. This is what I caught all the bass on today. The Finesse TRDs New Money. So the way you rig these is very easy, and I'll show you what these jig heads are in a second. There's two sides on this. There's actually a little bit of a thinner point here, and then a flat. You want to actually tie it on the flat side. You put it right through the middle, down and out. There you go, ready to cast. Now the jig heads that I was using are these finesse new Ned Rig jig heads. These are the mushroom size. These are actually 1 and 15 ounce jig heads. I'm lighting very light tackle, like I had mentioned. I'm doing really finesse. But then you also have these other ones here that if you want to actually go a little bit deeper, these are the 1/5 ounce, and they're the same shank size than the small ones, so you could actually vary between both weights. But these are the ones that I was using today. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna continue fishing here. If you like the what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, hit a like on the video so we could actually have more coming up pretty soon. Alright, AZ Bass Reaper out.